Yo, what's up traders? So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing my full portfolio for anybody who's curious and anyone who is in my free Discord. If you are curious about what positions I'm in or how much money I've made so far from all of my stocks that I've been investing in that I've been talking about, well, here it goes. But first of all, I started this portfolio back on December 18th, 2020. So right around a month ago. And from December 18th to now January 19th, we're up close to about a little over $3,000 or 12%. But to be completely fair with my account, if we look at it here on the 24th, from the 24th to the 28th, the market was just not that active and I wasn't investing a lot of my money. And then from the 31st to the 4th, again, my account was still at $26,000. I wasn't investing too much of my money. But then from the 4th till today, which is the 19th, so in about 2 weeks or 15 days, we went from $26,000 up to $29,000 now. And shout out to my Discord. I've been a lot more active on my Discord, but I have been busy, so I'm not really active on it every single day. But I do put on your radar some stocks that I do enjoy, such as Sense, which I just talked about this morning. I'm up close to 40% on, and I'll show that right now on my Discord that I was talking about it. By the way, link in the description if you want to join. I also talked about TRXC. As you can see, my average cost was $1.15. Now, some of my bigger winners that are driving my account up a lot are stocks that I talked about on my YouTube channel, such as Bio-Nanogenomics, which I'm up close to 650% on. I have an average cost of $1.25 per share, and I bought 100 shares, so I'm making $805 right now. Another stock that I talked about was Aqua Metals, which I'm up about 24% on, or about $80. I didn't have the best average cost, but that's because I got in at a weird time, but it's okay because I'm still making money on it. Another stock I talked about was FRSX, or Foresight Autonomous. I have an average cost of $5.87, but I did talk about this stock about 2 weeks ago, and I got in at a very high price. And at one point I was down about $200, but I wasn't really worrying about it because the same shares that lose you money are the same shares that will recover those losses if you invested into a quality company, which I believe that at the time Foresight Autonomous was. Therefore, I did invest my money into it. And as you can see, I own 130 shares because I bought 100 shares at around this time, which was $6.20, I think was my average cost. And once it dipped, I averaged down with 30 more shares and I rode out the wave. And then finally on January 12th, it started to pump, and this position went from being red to then being green, and now we're up 83% on it, or $633. It's fluctuating. Another stock that I made a video about was Orbital Energy, OEG, which I'm up exactly about 100% right now. I've been riding the wave out. They're not having a green day today, but they are climbing back up slowly, and I do own 100 shares at an average cost of $1.97. Now here's my Discord. Shout out to everybody in here. Huge shout out to everybody who you see here. Mike Ross for all the support. Thank you. Everybody else who you see in here, just shout out to everybody in here. Shout out to Flynn, everybody who's in here. And now here is where I put the penny stock for today. I was talking about it here, right here. Sense could run but has a risk. And then here we can see that I was talking about it today at 7 in the morning, and now it's up, and now we're up. And yeah, so that's pretty good. And here we can see I've been talking about ZOM when it was at 40 cents back on the 5th of January. I was also talking about Sundial when it was back in the 5th of January, and I was talking about how it could get attention. I was also talking about Bed Bath & Beyond. I said that under $20 was a good buy, and I am currently up on this position. If we see here, I have an average cost of $19.79. It's not the biggest position. I only bought 10 shares, but I am up 25% on it, or $50, and it just adds up to the entire gain that I've had on this portfolio so far. So here are some of my other positions that I have, if anyone is curious about them. So I did buy a lot of bank stocks because I do believe banks have a lot of room to run, such as Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, and Bank of America, and I'll be showing you guys so far how I've been doing on those positions. So Wells Fargo, I'm up about 10% on, only 10 shares. JP Morgan, I do own 5 shares and I'm up 12% on it, or $75. Bank of America, I'm up about 11% on it, or $34. Wells Fargo's is about $30. So JP Morgan, I got in at around an average cost of $1.23 per share, so around this area, and I just rode out the wave because I knew that they still had room to run from 125 to the previous highs of 135, and now they're at 138. So that went according to plan. plan. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I have been selling a lot more cash secured puts. I sold cash secured puts on JMIA, MP Materials, and Neo, as well as Nano Dimensions and some other companies, to name a few. And I have been profitable on all of my cash secured puts. I think I'm about 6 for 6 or a little bit over that. So if you guys want me to make a video on cash secured puts and how you can use that to make yourself a little bit more money, because that has made me about maybe an extra $500. So I can't complain about that. Again, it all adds up. And this takes a lot of time, guys, a lot of patience. When the riots were happening around January 6th and my portfolio dipped drastically, I didn't panic sell. I did lose a lot of gains from $26,800 to about $26,300. So it was a significant loss, but I stayed calm. You have to stay calm if you're long-term investing. Another company that I really do like would be JMIA Technologies. I've been talking about JMIA Technologies since it was at $9, but when I owned my shares on my Robinhood account, I had to sell out of them so I could transfer my money over to my E-Trade account. And once I transferred the money back in, I bought more shares because I still do like this company long term, and you can find that video on my YouTube channel. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it from me. Make sure you join my Discord. There's no reason not to. I'll be trying to upload a lot more consistently, but again, join my Discord. You can find me there, and if you have any questions, or I'll let you guys know what I'm getting into. I don't post what I'm getting into every single day because I don't really enter positions every single day. I can enter no positions for a couple of days, and then I can enter 5 positions in one day. It just depends on the quality over the quantity per day, I guess. So I try to give you guys good quality because I want you guys all to make money. This is why I started this YouTube channel, and I started this YouTube channel around December 18th. I've had this YouTube account for a long time, but I didn't really start consistently uploading until around the 18th, like late December, around the time that I deposited the money back into this Robinhood account on the 18th. And all the plays that I've basically gone into that have made a lot of money, I posted on my YouTube channel completely for free. So if you do enjoy that content, make sure you subscribe, join my Discord so that you guys see what I'm basically getting into, and at the same time subscribe to the YouTube channel because I am trying to upload more and provide you guys better quality content. But that's been it for me, guys. Peace.